Thanks, everybody. Let's hear it for our pie contest entries. Sorry for the delay. We were a little bit occupied back in the back, so it took us a little longer to test those. So we're going to announce 3 different categories. So we're going to have overall winners, so the top 3 pies overall. Then we're going to have our adult winners. So there's a cream pie, there's a non-fruit, and then there's a fruit pie. So those are the 3 different categories they could enter in. So we'll have an adult cream winner, an adult fruit winner, and an adult non-fruit winner as well. Now, if you're the overall winner, you probably won your category too, but we're going to give the category to the second person in that category. Sound good? So we had 28 pies entered this year. So let's give a round of applause to all of our pie bakers. Can we have those that made a pie stand up so we can kind of see everybody that made a pie? So yeah, if there were more pies, my gut would have been a lot bigger than it is already. So we're grateful there was only 28. So we want to thank Wall Brothers. The barn down here by the fairgrounds, they donated our prizes for our winners tonight. So we want to thank them as well. Again, thank them for sponsoring our pie contest and helping out with that. So let's start with our overall winners, and we'll turn it over to Adam.
Okay, thank you. Our overall winners, we'll start with number 3. Third overall is a chocolate silk pie made by Jessica Stokes. Jessica Stokes. Have her come up. Come. Oh, there we are. Thank you. Great job. And our second overall winner was a pecan pie made by Debbie Hyatt. Debbie, come on down. And our number 1 overall pie was a lemon meringue made by Carrie Ward. Come on up, Carrie. All right, Carrie. Congratulations. Come on over here. Who's our next?
All right, let's give them one more big round of applause, our overall winners. Thank you. Yes. So those contestants that had pies, after we're finished announcing, you can come around to the front again and you can grab your pies and your pans and everything that way. So let's go through our adult winners. So that's if they weren't an overall winner. So our adult cream pie winner was Sydney Leach with the banana cream pie. She's coming. Okay, our adult fruit pie was Melissa Pearson, and it was a peach pie. Congratulations, Melissa. Come on down. And our adult non-fruit pie was Donna Johnson with a pumpkin marshmallow pie. So come on down, Donna. All right, let's give them a big round of applause as they get their picture. Congratulations.
Okay, these are the winners for the youth pies. The first one is the cream pie division, and that is Annie McShinsky. Okay, and then the youth fruit pie is Brig Gregory. And then the youth non-fruit goes to Logan Van Hoon. Annie Mashinsky, what kind of pie was yours? Chocolate peanut butter. And the youth non-fruit was Logan here, and it was an ice cream pie. Oh, and Brig Gregory was mixed berry. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, let's give everybody a round of applause. Thanks again for bringing back the pie contest.